How to hide likes on Facebook. So first is you have to go to your Facebook application here, and it will lead you to your home area or your feed area where you'll see the posts of different people or your friends. Now on the bottom part you will see six different options such as home, friends, watch, profile, notifications, and menu. I want you to go to your menu. Here's to go to your settings and privacy here. Just tap on that and go to settings. Now, after tapping on settings, you will see different sections there, such as account section, the preferences, audience and visibility, permissions, your information, your community standards, and legal policies. I want you to go to your preferences, so where you can customize your experience on Facebook, and just tap on reaction preferences. So here you will see you want to hide your number of reactions, so on posts from others and onto your post. So basically people won't be able to see how many likes the person has. So basically you and your friends won't be able to see how many you will not be able to see how many posts from others. And basically that is how you hide likes on Facebook. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.